Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also enjoy unboxings and you guys do too. And I love when I get PR because I don't get very much PR. But you guys, I'm ecstatic as heck because I just received a package from Huda Beauty. I have not opened this yet. I'm going to be opening it in real time with you guys. I'm absolutely thrilled. I do have a video up previously because they did ask me if they could send me some stuff. I thought that was a one-off. I had no idea I was getting this and I have no idea what's in here. I'm gonna shut my freaking mouth. I hope y'all are well. Let's dive in. Oh, beauty is self-made. Of course, I love the packaging because, you know, pink. Oh, you guys are getting a sneak peek before I do. It's so pretty, whatever is in here. All right, we have Huda Beauty Jelly Stained Lips. Oh, I did see these on their socials. And I have the whole pamphlet. I wanted to try these. I would absolutely have purchased. I love Huda Beauty. They're one of my all-time favorite brands. We have the Jelly Stained Lips, the little cards here. We have Juicy Pink Lady, which is a baby pink. Those are stunning freaking shades, you guys. Next up is Juicy Peach, which is a toasty brown. That's my vibe right there. Oh, that's beautiful. Next up we have Juicy Goji, which is a rich brown. And then we have Juicy Pink Lady, which is a cherry red. Let me flip to this side. The lip contour stains are $25. The faux filler jelly oil is $21. And I just want to kind of see. Instantly softens lips. That is for the Jelly Shine. And then the stains, it says 12-hour kiss proof to remove use an oil-based cleanser, easy to overline, ultra pigmented, and dual-sided tip. Store with the tip side down. I do like that they did let us know that. All right, and then we're gonna open up the actual package. I love the little, oh my gosh, there's way more stuff in here than just that. I have no idea what's in here. Wow. Okay, we have whatever this is. I love the branding. Of course, I love the freaking pink. We got something in here. We got one of the faux filler lip oils. We've got jelly stained lips, the Huda Beauty X Lippy Links. I have no idea what that is. I'm assuming just to keep them together and maybe put them on your keychain or something. And then there's something big in here, which I also have no idea what it is. So we're gonna open it together. I am gonna go ahead and get the box out of my way. And if Huda Beauty ever sees this or the brand ever sees this, thank you in advance. Words will never express, you guys, how grateful I am, especially as a small creator. I don't get a ton of PR, so when I do get it, I freak out just a little bit, so excuse the excitement. We have whatever this is. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That is like a jelly looking mirror. That is adorable. And I love that everything's pink. I mean, if you know, you know. Yeah, that's so cool. So we have a magnification mirror and a regular mirror. Let me not blind you guys, but that's super cool. All right. I'm gonna go ahead, I guess, and open this next. I still don't know what it is. Packaged beautifully though. This is so cool, you guys. I'm so grateful. I still have no idea what this is. It's a scarf. I believe it's a scarf. Oh, that is beautiful. I would use it as like a little hair pony or something like that. Wow. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't really see like a lot of brands do products like this. I know that Undies had some stuff like this. That's really pretty, you guys. Okay, this is magnetic, which is pretty dang cool. So cool. Okay, so I'm assuming this was in here. So let me put this back in here just so I can fully show you guys what this looks like. The shades of all of these are gorgeous. Okay, here we go. Those are the stains. Those are the jelly oils that I received. And then some more stains. So beautiful. Okay, let me take off what I have on right now. Let me find myself a white. And I'm a little bit of a disheveled mess. I had, like I said, no idea that this was coming. It is also 100 degrees today, you guys, and I've been out all day. So I'm a little tired. I am a little disheveled. I apologize. All right, let me grab a towel. Let me take this off. And before I decide, it does say lips made for kissing. I've been keeping the biggest secret. You guys have not seen a product like this before, I promise you. Our new lip contour stain is about to become your new favorite lip liner. It is everything. The best part is these stains last all day, 12-hour wear. I love how easy the felt tip is to use. We can contour, cuff, or create a full lip look, then layer with our new faux filler jelly oil. The oil comes in 3 juicy sheer shades and will make your lips instantly soft. I know you're gonna love them. All right, this one is very super sheer pink. Now obviously they're all gonna be, you know, very sheer, but I love the color variation here. We have one that is a little bit more kind of nudie peachy. And I love the little roll that they put these all in. And then we have another one. Let me compare these two. This one you can see seems a little more milky. This one's a little bit more kind of like deep. Again, they're going to be sheer. All right. And then I think I want to go with probably this one right here for this stain. I'm excited to see these, test these, use these. All right, lip contour stain, lip tint. This is in the shade Rosewood. I do like the component. And again, it says to store them down, so I'm gonna just kind of hold it down for just a second. I don't think you shake. I'm gonna say no. Oh, I like that. That is pretty. So beautiful, felt tip. I'm gonna kind of see what it looks like on my hand first. I can be quite precise with it. And then we're gonna let that kind of set while we do the lips, and then we're gonna test that out and see. I'm gonna go in with like the more milky pinky shade, I think, to try. Let me get my mirror up close. I will speed this up, but there will be no cuts at all. Okay, it has no scent to it whatsoever. I think that the color of the component is pretty damn spot on to the color that comes to the lips. You can see it used as a liner. I could be a little more precise if I wanted to be and put it on its edge. So I do feel like you can be super precise, or we can lay it flat as well. And fill in. So I am gonna just keep it upside down. We'll let this dry on the hand. That's really pretty. I do not feel it at all. It does not feel like I have any product on my lips whatsoever. Okay, I like that a lot. So now we're gonna go into the oil. Oh, I love that doe foot applicator. Oh, it smells like sweets. That smells so good. That picks up a bunch, just to let you guys know. Ooh, it hugs the lips beautifully, and you can go from either side. I like that too. Oh yeah, that is like glass. Ooh, that's beautiful, you guys. I like too that you can kind of get precise with this as well, or go in with a little bit more product if needed. Ooh. That smells so good. Oh yeah. Quite slippy. Not really any weight to it. And what I mean by that is it feels like a true lip oil. Maybe slightly more viscous than like your standard one, like it's not slipping and sliding, but it doesn't have grip to it, if that makes any sense. So that is that combination. So that is the combination of Juicy Pink Lady with the new lip contour stain in Rosewood. So that is the lip combo. These are stunning, and I think a lot of people are really gonna love these. And I like that it goes from very light and kind of, you know, that pretty pink that's super popular right now, but we've got some more like red leaning tones, we've got some more mauve leaning tones, some more neutral tones. I like these a lot. I like everything that came in the box and the package and stuff like that. This is beautiful. I do want to see, I think that I have given it enough time, so I just want to yeah, that's not budging. That's not going anywhere. And I actually like too, I don't know if it's because I filmed prior to this, I don't know if I still had something on my hand. It almost seems like there's a slight sheeny quality to that, but I don't really see that on the lips. But it looks so incredibly beautiful and, like they said, very juicy with that liner. I mean, with the gloss. Ooh, that is beautiful. I love these. I love these so much. The reason I'm not going to swatch every single one, and I'll probably do a hand swatch shorts video for you guys, but I know that I probably will not use every single one of these, and I don't like to be wasteful. And it's really hard for me because this is a stain. I would have a hard time trying to get each one off to then apply the next shade, if that makes any sense. So hopefully this was helpful to you in some kind of way. I want to note too, like even as I'm talking, a lot of these products like this, the shine goes away instantly. The moisturization goes away instantly, and then some of these kind of get gloopy and get that weird little ring, and you can kind of see it when you talk. This is not doing that. Gosh, that shine is beautiful. I love these. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out just a little bit. That is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you so much to Huda Beauty for sending to me. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys for taking the time to come into my space. Thank you for allowing me into yours. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.